Jai Baba Ji, Jai Baba Ji, Jai Baba Ji. Dear co-travelers, today is Basant Panchami, the onset of spring. What is happening? Flowers are blooming, butterflies are there, the days are getting longer. That means more light is coming towards us and we are feeling happy. Why? Because our brain starts releasing serotonin, a chemical that makes us happy. What stops us from getting happy? What stops us? Our beliefs, our thoughts, our assumptions, our visiting those persons, places and things who do not make us feel good and happy. Why can't we let the spring within come out? The spring of fragrance, the spring of feeling good, the spring of appreciating others, the spring of appreciating oneself, spring of blooming flowers outside, go inside and help us to move on. Can we appreciate others? Can we appreciate ourselves? Can we be kind and right to our own selves? Can we look towards persons, places and things that make us feel happy? Why is it that when everything is going off well, one or two things are not going on well and we start brooding, cribbing about those? Can we today have the fountain, the spring of happiness from within that comes outside, and we spread fragrance and we make a conscious decision that we will think good, we will feel good, we will feel healthy, we will feel happy. It's not necessary that everything will be going on well. There are certain things that will be sticking to our mind. Some dialogues of some people, some irritants in the home, some rude or unkind message on a WhatsApp from somebody. Can we just move on? Can we just tell our brain, thank you for releasing serotonin. Thank you for telling me that you are releasing a chemical that makes me feel happy. I respect you. Let's talk to our brains today. Let's feel good. Let's feel happy. And how can we feel happy? Appreciate yourself, appreciate others. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Let's have loads of fun. Let's have the fragrance that is around us expand and reach out to each and everyone. In gratitude, our Lord, our divine, our universe. I am reminded of a poem which I did with Mrs. Malhotra, may her soul rest in peace, when I was in class 9. It should be 1974-75. How many years back, I don't remember. I hope I can think mentally the correct sequence of lines. Anyhow, I'm going to make an attempt. फूलों पर भंवरे मंडराने लगे हैं, फूलों पर भंवरे मंडराने लगे हैं, रंग बिरंगी तितलियां अब चहकने लगी हैं, रंग बिरंगी तितलियां अब चहकने लगी हैं, कोयल मधुर स्वर में गाने लगी है, कोयल मधुर स्वर में गाने लगी है, मोर नृत्य कर इठलाने लगे हैं, मोर नृत्य कर इठलाने लगे हैं, प्रकृति अपने रंग भरने लगी है, प्रकृति अपने रंग भरने लगी है, क्योंकि आज बसंत है, क्योंकि आज बसंत है. Dear co-travelers, just be kind to yourself. And how can you be kind? By thinking, deciding, promising with your own self that I have to be calm, I have to be content, I have to be in gratitude, and I have to feel healthy and happy. Let's do it, क्योंकि आज बसंत है.